Today, we're diving into the world of Six Sigma and unveiling 5 powerful tools and techniques that can revolutionize your approach to process improvement. Get ready to supercharge your efficiency and effectiveness. My name is Luca, and welcome back to our channel, all about using Lean Six Sigma to help you inspire, innovate, and improve. Now let's get started. Let's understand what Six Sigma is all about and why it's become synonymous with excellence in countless industries worldwide. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology aimed at reducing defects and variations in processes to achieve near-perfect quality. It empowers organizations to identify and eliminate sources of waste, streamline workflows, and deliver exceptional value to customers. Now, let's dive into 5 indispensable Six Sigma tools and techniques that can help you improve any process. DMAIC is the backbone of Six Sigma. It's a structured problem-solving approach that guides teams through 5 key strategies. Define the problem, measure current performance, analyze root causes, improve processes, and control for sustained results. By following the DMAIC framework, organizations can systematically identify opportunities for improvement, implement data-driven solutions, and monitor performance to ensure sustained success. SIPOC is a powerful tool for defining and mapping processes. It helps teams visualize the flow of materials, information, and actions from suppliers to customers, highlighting key inputs, outputs, and stakeholders along the way. By creating a SIPOC diagram, organizations can gain a holistic understanding of their processes, identify potential sources of variation or waste, and prioritize improvement efforts for maximum impact. The fishbone diagram is a visual tool used to identify and categorize potential causes of a problem. It's particularly useful for root cause analysis, allowing teams to explore various factors contributing to an issue and uncover hidden sources of variation. By systematically analyzing potential causes across different categories, organizations can pinpoint the root causes of problems and develop targeted solutions. Before moving on to the next part of this video, if you'd like to learn more about how Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques, check out our book on Amazon. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Consider supporting our work on Patreon. All links are in the description below. Control charts are statistical tools used to monitor process performance over time. They help organizations distinguish between common cause variation and special cause variation. By plotting data points on a control chart and applying statistical control limits, organizations can detect deviations from the norm, identify trends or patterns, and take corrective action to maintain process stability and consistency. Poka-Yoke is a concept aimed at preventing errors or defects before they occur. It involves designing processes or systems in a way that makes errors impossible or immediately detectable, reducing the risk of defects and enhancing overall quality. By implementing Poka-Yoke mechanisms such as sensors, alarms, or physical barriers, organizations can minimize the likelihood of errors, improve process reliability, and enhance customer satisfaction. That's all for today's video, and until next time, never stop improving.